Uh, this is the Hurricane Harvey flooding of 2017 by Noah Tart and Samuel Olson.
So the cause, Hurricane Harvey was a very intense storm that created many weather patterns that ended up causing this flood. So basically there was a delayed passage that just dumped a large amount of rain on a limited area. And the flooding was brought on by heavy rain, storm surge, seasonal variables, and local weather patterns.
The societal problems, the people of Houston's health had been severely impacted. Um, with the amount of damage that was caused, the hospitals in Houston and surrounding areas had been evacuated, and most of them were backed up for weeks. Another major issue was the stall water carried many diseases from the mosquitoes. This is when all the water had been left out for weeks, and there was outbreak of several viruses. Economic problems. This flood caused many problems for businesses and personal economic status. Many people lost their homes as well as their personal belongings, such as cars, wallets, money, and like personal valuable items. Houston is a common area for many businesses, primarily oil companies. So oil prices had gone up several, and this affected people around the nation.
So there was many changes that occurred after this flooding. Communities started to mandate flood-resistant houses. They started to make buildings at a higher altitude. Dams and flood barriers started to be built to prevent a flood like the one of Hurricane Harvey. Sandbags and other obstacles were also built to safeguard homes from flood damage.
And then some additional information about this flood was that there were 15 trillion gallons of water that flooded the streets of Houston, and an overall of 33 trillion gallons of water nationally. And this is the biggest flood that happened in the past 100 years in the United States. Overall, there were around 103 deaths, and there was about $200 billion in damages due to this hurricane and the floods. And then these were the sources we used for the pictures and the information that was covered on the slides.